Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change Naver language to English. Many people want to use Naver in English, but the truth is that there is no built-in option in the app to change the language. Naver is designed primarily for Korean users, so the app does not include an official way to switch to English. However, there is a workaround that allows you to see Naver in English using a screen translation tool. The first step is to download a screen translator app. You can do this by opening the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Screen Translator and look at the results. Choose an app that has good reviews and download it. After the download is complete, install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, you may need to give it permission to display over other apps. To do this, the app will usually guide you through the steps, or you can go to your phone settings, find the permission for display over other apps, and enable it for the Translator app. After permissions are set, open the Naver app. You should now be able to see translations on the screen. The screen translator will detect the text in Naver and show it in English. Keep in mind that this translation is not perfect. It may not be as smooth or complete as a native language option built into the app. Some parts of the interface may remain in Korean, and translations might take a moment to appear. This method is currently the only way to read Naver in English on your device. Thanks for watching.